Is RAG actually hard? A various company says the RAG retrieval augmented generation is difficult. I'm about to prove them wrong in under 60 seconds. First, we're gonna grab Gemma 3, Google's state-of-the-art model using Ollama. No cloud, 100% private. We are going to make a few Python files with a limited amount of code. We are going to make an agent, which is our main app, the config file, database, parser. The watcher is watching a folder where we have our data. And now you are ready to retrieve data from your logbooks or whatever. And if you are in doubt, you can always just AI it. Moin!